The Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, also known as the Green Card Lottery, is a United States government lottery program for receiving an immigrant visa, followed by a permanent resident card. The link to the website is in the description box. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you down to this page you're seeing on the screen. All you have to do is to read the instruction carefully before you go to the next step, before you begin your application process. So here we have our State Department website for the 2026 Diversity Visa Program is now open. After reading the instruction, click the Begin Entering button below to enter the DV program. So the entry instruction, they say you have to read the entry instruction carefully. Entrants may be disqualified for not completing the entry form correctly or by submitting more than one entry. Use the link below to view the instruction. So for you to get the instruction about this program before you fill the form, you have to click on this DV2026 instruction to read instruction. And these are the photo instruction. Before beginning the entering process, verify that your picture and pictures for any dependents fully comply with DV entry photo requirements included in the DV2026 instructions. Your case will be disqualified if you submit a non-compliant photo. For examples of acceptable photos, click the button below. So for you to check the type of photo they want, like the examples, then you have to click on this photo examples. Then you are going to see all the photos, like all the acceptable ones. And here we have the entry form. The entry form is prepared in two parts, one for the primary entrance and one for the derivative, if there is any. Each part must be completed correctly and completely before going to the next part. So after all parts are completed, the entry will be submitted to the DV2026 processing center. So click the link below to begin the entry process. So this is where you're going to begin your entry process. And for you to check status, you can see we have it here, check status. But you can't check status without filling the form. So all you have to do is to click on this begin entry. So you click on this begin entry, then it will take you to the next page where you start your process, where you start filling out the form. Here we have the authentication code, just for them to know you are human, not a robot. So you have to type in these letters. You have to type it into this box here. So you have KEP. Oh, sorry. You have K. So this is it. Then you click on submit. So once you click on submit, then this is where you see the entry form. Without doing that authentication code, then you are not going to see this form on your page. So you have to do the authentication code first, so you can come to this next page where you see the electronic diversity visa entry form. So this is the part one of the information, the entrance information. So here you put your last name, that's your family name, your first name, your middle name, your gender, your birth month, city where you were born, and the country where you were born. Please don't mistake each other, like don't mistake them for each other. This is city and then this is the country and the country of eligibility. If your country is not eligible for this program, then you click on this explanation of country of eligibility to see if there is another option available in your case. So if your country is eligible, then you click on yes. If not, then you select the country here. So the entrance photograph, you can take a new digital image or use a digital scanner to scan a recent photograph. So here you click here to choose a new photo. You click here to choose a new photo and upload your mailing address in care of it's optional. Then your address, your city, your district or province, your postal code, and your country where you live today, like as of today, the country you live in, you put it here. Your phone number is optional, but our advice you put it there. Your email address, then you confirm it here again. Then your highest level of education, then you click if it's primary school, high school, vocational, graduate, some university course, university degree, master degree. So you should include it here. And what is your current marital status? You put either unmarried, single, divorced, widowed, legally separated, then you should put it here. So number of children, if you have any, then you put it down here. Once you are done with this page, then you click on continue. You can't cancel entry. You only cancel entry if you are not interested in filling out this form again. So once you are done filling out this page, all you have to do is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will take you to the next page where you continue your process, where you continue your entering process, like where you continue to fill out the required information. So once you are done with all of that, you will see a small box where they write submit. So you just click on that submit, then the form has been submitted, and then you wait for their feedback. So I wish you good luck on this. It's as simple as that.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.